close till I get up. Time is barely.
Hello friends, welcome back to the channel AK Gardening Passion. Friends, today's video is on ficus plant. To know about much more plants and watch videos, do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon if not yet done. So friends, ficus is a shrub variety which has dark green, light green, or we can call as golden yellow colored or creamy white colored leaves. The creamy white is also called as starlight variety of ficus. Some varieties of ficus plant produces flowers which are white or yellowish in color and produces fruits or seeds in summer season. The shape of the leaves of ficus plant are oval with curly edge. Friends, this plant is very hardy plant and it is used to create and to add green foliage in the gardens, terrace gardens, or used for screening or to create the hedges and borders. It is also used to create shade. Friends, as it is evergreen plant, so it is used widely in the gardens, lawns, public gardens, etc. Friends, the plant can be trained for growth by regular trimming and pruning. So friends, let's see the plant's information under following headings. First, we'll see the soil requirement of the ficus plant. Friends, ficus plant loves fertile soil and it can be grown in containers as well as in pots or in land. This plant is adaptable to any type of the soil if planted in lands. But if you are planning to plant it in the container, then the potting mix should have 40% of garden soil, 30% of sand and 30% of vermicompost or leaf mold compost. This potting mix is used to avoid water stagnation. So friends, mix up all the contents and fill up the containers. So talking about the propagation of ficus plant, the propagation of ficus plant is done by cuttings. Friends, the stem of this plant is used to propagate the plant. Take the cutting of stem at least pen size thick, but do it preferably in the rainy season. But you can also do it in winters. Friends, some varieties of ficus are propagated by the seeds as they produce seeds. But friends, if you are planning to plant the ficus, then choose proper area, as if planted once, it will remain for years to come. As the ficus plant's lifespan is more. If you are planning to plant it in containers, then the size of the containers should be at least 10 inch. Then talking about watering. Friends, ficus plant loves more water, also it can tolerate overwatering when planted in land, but care should be taken when it is planted in pot or container. Ficus plant can tolerate less or drought, but watering is essential for it when planted in containers especially. So if grown in container, the watering should be done like twice in a week in winter season, then twice to thrice a week in summer, but take care that water will not remain stagnated. In rainy season, if plant is kept in shade, then water these plants once to twice a week. But friends, when you are watering the plant, at that time wash the plant with water instead of directly watering into the soil. You wash the plant simultaneously, water will fall off and which will be absorbed by the plant. By washing this plant, the leaves will look clean and the plant will look bright and shiny green colored. So friends, talking about the fertilizers to be used for ficus plant. Ficus plant loves to feed with fertilizers. Friends, you can use liquid fertilizers weekly to monthly, but take care that you don't over fertilize the plant. Friends, use nitrogen rich containing fertilizers such as NPK spray if you are using chemical fertilizers, and if you are using organic fertilizers then use cow dung, manure or vermicompost. But use fertilizers when it has growing period, that is it in the month of spring or when you do the pruning. Friends, the plant's leaves turns to yellow or fall off, which indicates that the plant is in need of nitrogen containing fertilizers. The amount of fertilizer depends on the age and the growth of the plant, but fertilize the plant monthly if planted in containers. Friends, if planted in land, no much fertilizers are needed. After adding fertilizers, water the plant thoroughly. Friends, nextly talking about the light requirement of ficus plant. Friends, the plant which you are watching in this video is my ficus plant. Just see how beautiful it is looking. I have two varieties of ficus plant. The plant with green leaves is nearly 9 years old plant, which I have planted it in the land. Then friends, I have total 4 plants of ficus. Out of them 2 are 9 years old, which are green in color, and 2 are creamy white in color, which are 3 years old plants. Friends, I have planted these plants where there is full sun light available, and just see it is how healthy. Friends, this plant is creating a green foliage in my garden, and also see the plant is having lush green color. So friends, this plant grows at fullest in full sun, and it grows thick and bushy. But when planted in full sun, so friends, this plant grows at fullest in full sun, and it grows thick and bushy when planted in full sun. But when planted in partial or shade, then it may not grow thick and bushy or dense, but it will still grow in shades where there is bright light. So it is used as an indoor plant in many of the areas like lobbies or porch. Also, this plant is used in terrace gardens to add a green foliage in it. So friends, talking about diseases in ficus plant. Friends, ficus plant has pest attack by sucking and tinging pest, and one of the problem is leaf curl. For that you can spray neem oil in dilution every monthly, but usually the pest attack is in the rainy and winter season. So friends, talking about pruning, ficus plant is fast growing plant, and if planted in land, it is not pruned, then it can grow above size of or height of 30 feet. Ficus plant acquires old trees shape, so it requires regular pruning and trimming to maintain the shape. By regular trimming, you can give a shape to the ficus plant, any shape to the ficus plant. Friends, it is also used for making bonsais. The ficus plant looks very beautiful. The bonsai of the ficus plant looks very beautiful. Friends, the mature plant develops aerial roots. Friends, some tips to grow ficus plant are: use well draining soil if planted in containers, and use fertilizers and rich soil. Place it in full sun if you require dense growth. Fertilize the plant with nitrogen containing fertilizers. Do regular trimming of the plant. So friends, add on ficus plant in your gardens and add on the green foliage to your gardens. Friends, use this plant for screening, and for screening you plant this plant leaving the distance between two plants 3 feet. Keep the plant in your balcony and as well as a backdrop of your sitting areas. So friends, this was about the ficus plant. Thanks for watching. Keep watching for more upcoming videos.